Hello students, welcome back. Now we will take up our exercise 6.3 where we will be finding out the square roots of the sum of the numbers. So now coming to the question number 1. What could be the possible ones digit of the square root of the following number? So square root के लिए अभी देखिए possible ones digit क्या हो सकता है. अभी हम स्क्वायर करके देखेंगे. स्क्वायर करके देखने से अभी क्या, सपोज अगर अपने फर्स्ट पार्ट लिया हुआ इसका 9801, इसको ध्यान से देखिएगा. अभी इसमें व्हाट कुड बी द वंस डिजिट ऑफ द स्क्वायर रूट. अगर हम इसका स्क्वायर रूट निकालेंगे तो वंस डिजिट क्या होगा. पहले हम ये देखेंगे कि किसका स्क्वायर करने से जो वंस प्लेस पे 1 आएगा वही स्क्वायर रूट पे होंगे. अगर हम 1 का स्क्वायर करेंगे तो 1 आएगा, और 9 का अगर हम स्क्वायर करेंगे 81, वहाँ से भी 1 आ रहा है. यही दो ऐसे नंबर है जिसके स्क्वायर करने से वंस प्लेस पे क्या मिलेगा मुझे 1. तो सेम इनके स्क्वायर रूट पे भी क्या होगा, सेम ही होगा. सो स्क्वायर रूट के लिए क्या होगा ऑप्शन 1 एंड 9 बोथ. सो अगर हम इसका स्क्वायर रूट करेंगे तो पॉसिबल यूनिट डिजिट्स ऑफ स्क्वायर रूट square roots are 1 or 9. So this is 1 or 9. Similarly we will go for the second one. So this is 99856. So अभी 6 आया हुआ है. 6 के लिए देखिए अगर हम 4 का स्क्वायर करेंगे तो कितना आता है 16, लास्ट में 6 आ गया. 6 का अगर हम स्क्वायर करेंगे 36, लास्ट में 6 आ गया. अभी लास्ट में 6 है, इसका मतलब 4 और 6 यही दो नंबर हो सकते हैं जिसके स्क्वायर रूट लास्ट में 6 आ सकता है. सो वी कैन राइट द पॉसिबल यूनिट डिजिट्स ऑफ स्क्वायर रूट विल बी 4 और 6. सो सिमिलरली वी कॉल फॉर द थर्ड वन, इट इज 99801. सो दिस इज द सेम एज द फर्स्ट वन. 1 का अगर हम स्क्वायर करेंगे तो कितना आएगा 1, और 9 का स्क्वायर करेंगे 81, तो इसमें भी वंस प्लेस और यूनिट प्लेस कितना आ रहा 1. सो पॉसिबल नंबर्स आर 1 और 9. सो द पॉसिबल यूनिट डिजिट्स ऑफ द स्क्वायर रूट्स विल बी 1 और 9. सिमिलरली कम फॉर द फोर्थ पार्ट. दिस इज 657666025. सो हियर दिस इज 5 ओनली. सो ओनली 5 का स्क्वायर से ही मेरे को क्या मिलता है लास्ट में 5 मिलता है. सो देयर इज ओनली वन पॉसिबिलिटी दैट the ones place of this square root will be 5 only, no other number except 5. So now coming to the second part, without doing any calculation, find the numbers which are surely not the perfect squares. So जिस नंबर के एंड में अभी 2, 3, we have already discussed this in the previous section, that the numbers ending with 2, 3, 7 or 8 are not perfect squares. तो ऐसे नंबर जो 2, 3, 7, 8 से एंड होंगे they will not be the perfect squares. So for first case it is 153. So it is not a perfect square because it is ending with 3, so it is not a perfect square. Now coming to the second one, 257. So again it is not a perfect square because it is ending with 7. Coming to the third one, 408. We have discussed this 8, so it is also not a perfect square. Now coming to the fourth part, 441. So 441, now it is a perfect square. So it is a 441, it is a perfect square because it is ending with 1. So the numbers that are ending with 2, 3, 7 or 8, they are not the perfect squares. Now coming to the question number 3. Find the square roots of 100 and 169 by the method of repeated subtraction. So we will keep on subtracting the odd numbers from it. So first of all we will find 100. So 100 minus 1. So this is 99. अभी 99 बच गया, उसको ऐसे लिख दिया, माइनस नेक्स्ट ऑड नंबर इज, तो अभी हम क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट नंबर लिया 100, उसमें से फर्स्ट ऑड नंबर क्या है 1, उसको सेपरेट किया 99 आया, 99 में से नेक्स्ट ऑड नंबर को सेपरेट करते रहेंगे, ऐसे ही करते रहेंगे जब तक जीरो नहीं आ जाएगा. सो 99 माइनस 3, दिस इज 96. नाउ 96 माइनस नेक्स्ट ऑड विल बी 5, सो दिस इज 91. 91 माइनस नेक्स्ट ऑड इज 7. तो नेक्स्ट ऑड क्या है अभी 7 ही तो है, 7. सो दिस विल बी नाउ 84. सो 84 माइनस 9, सो दिस विल बी 75. Then 75 minus 11, so this will be equals to, now if we 75 minus 11, this is 64, and 64 minus 13, so 64 minus 13, how much it will be? It will be now 51, and 51 minus 15, so 51 minus 15, this will be 36, and 36 minus 17, so 36 minus 17 will be 19. Next 19 minus 19 will be 0. So this will end at this point. So now we will count out the number of steps: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So number of steps will give you the square root. Therefore the square root of 100 is 10. सो वी गॉट द स्क्वायर रूट. क्या करेंगे, रिपीटेड सब्ट्रैक्शन, मतलब क्या हो गया, हर एक नंबर में से ऑड नंबर को रिपीट सब्ट्रैक्ट करते जाएंगे, जो बचेगा उसमें नेक्स्ट ऑड, जो बचा उसमें फिर नेक्स्ट ऑड, जो बचा उसमें नेक्स्ट ऑड, जब तक कि जीरो नहीं आ जाएगा, देन विल काउंट द नंबर ऑफ स्टेप्स. सो सिमिलरली विल प्रोसीड फॉर द नेक्स्ट वन. इट इज 169. सो दिस वाज द फर्स्ट वन. सो कमिंग टू द सेकेंड पार्ट. So it is now 169. So 169 minus 1, so this is 168. So 168 minus 3, next odd is 3. So this is 165. 165 minus 5, so this is 160. 160 minus 7, so 153. And 153 minus next odd is 9, so this will be 144. So 144 minus 11, so it will be 133, and 133 minus next odd is 13, so it will be now 120, and 120 minus next odd is 15, so this is 105, and 105 minus next odd is 17, so this will be, now we subtract this, so this is 88. Now 88 minus next odd is 19, so 69. Now 69, so 69 minus next odd is 21, so this will be now 8 and 4, 48. So 48 minus next one is 23, so this will be now 25. So 25 minus 25 will be 0. So now we will count out the steps. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So the square root of 169 is 13. So 13 is the number of steps. So now coming to the question number, this question number 4. So now we need to find out the square roots of the following by the prime factorization. So we will do sum of the parts of it for you. So if we count for the first one, suppose, So this is 729. So first of all, we will find out the prime factorization. So 729, find out the prime factors of it. So this will go by 3 times. So 3 2 ja 6, 4 and 3 3 ja, then again 3 8 ja, 3 1 ja, then 3 2 ja, 7 ja, then 3 9 ja, then 3 times, then 3 1 times. Now we will write down all these prime factors. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So these are 1 2 3 4 5 6 times. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 times. Now we will make the pairs. So स्क्वायर रूट निकालने के लिए क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन निकाल लेंगे और उसके बाद उनका सबका हम पेयर बनाएंगे. पेयर में से एक एक नंबर को ले लेंगे. इस पेयर में से एक 3 ले लिया, इस पेयर में से एक 3 ले लिया और इस पेयर में से एक 3 ले लिया. तीनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. 3 3 या 9, 9 इंटू 3 27. सो 729 का स्क्वायर रूट कितना आ गया, 27. सो सिमिलरली विल टेक अप few more parts of it. Suppose if we proceed for, suppose if we take a bigger number for this, suppose this is 6 1, we will not take all the parts because this is the simplest portion for you to do. So we will not take up all the parts, we will take up only the typical one from here. So prime factorization अभी इसका निकालते हैं हम. So this will go by 2. ध्यान रखना प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन हमेशा लोएस्ट नंबर से ही शुरू होगा. आप एकदम से जंप नहीं करोगे कि 4 और 8 10 ऐसे डिवाइड करना, नहीं, लोएस्ट नंबर से 2. सो दिस इज नाउ 4 टाइम्स 8 0 2, अगेन 2 टाइम्स, सो दिस इज 24 0 1. सो नाउ this will not go by 3. So again we will take up the another number for it. So this will not go by 3 4 5 6 और 7. 7 से ट्राई करते हैं अभी. Okay, this will go by 7. So 7 3 ja 21, then 3 remaining, 7 4 ja 28, then 2, then 7 3 ja. So again it will go by 7, then 7, so this is 7 times, then 7, this is 1. Now we will write down all the prime factors. So this is 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 7. So 7 is coming 1 2 3 4 times. So now we will make the pairs. One pair, another pair, another pair. We will take up one number from each pair and 7. So now we will multiply. So this is 98. So 98 is the square root of this number. Now taking the 8th part of this is 9216. 9216. So we will make out the prime factors of it. Dividing by 2, so this will be 2 4 ja 8, 1, then 2 6 ja 12, then 0, then 8, then again count to the 2, this is 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 0 and 4, then again coming for the 2, so 2 1 ja 2, then 5, then 2, then again coming for the 2, so this will be 2 5 ja 10, then 2 7 ja 14, then 2 6 ja, again coming for the 2, 2 2 ja 4, then 2 8 ja 16, 1 2 8 ja 16, then again coming for the 2, so it will be 1 4 4, then 2, then 7, this is 2, then again 2, this will be 36, then 2, this is 18, then 2, it will be 9, then this will be 3 3, then 3, it will be 1. So we'll write down all the prime factors. They are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 times. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 times 2. Then 2 times 3. So this is 3 into 3. Now we'll make the pairs. One pair, second, third, fourth, fifth, and this is the sixth pair. We'll take one number from each pair. So this is 2, from here this is 2, from here it is 2, from here it is 2, and from here it is 2, then last one is 3. So this is 98. 6. So this way we will find out the square root of these numbers. So we will take up any number and if we find the prime factors, then pairing up and take one number from each pair. So now coming to the question number 5th. So this is the almost similar to the question number 4th. For each of the following numbers, find out the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied so as to get the perfect number, and also find the square root of the number so obtained. So first of all, we find out the prime factors of the given number. First we take up the simplest one to understand the basic fact. 252 को पहले प्राइम फैक्टर्स निकालते हैं. So this is 2 times 1, 2 and 6. So 2 times this is 6, then 3. Then 3 times this will be 2, then 1, then 3 times this is 7. So now we will find out these factors. Now we will write down this is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. Now see that in this is in the pair, this is in the pair, now this is without pair. So अभी हम इसमें इसको परफेक्ट स्क्वायर क्या होता है जब सारे नंबर्स पेयर में होते हैं. अभी ये क्या है, विदाउट पेयर है. So we will write that this number should be multiplied by 7. 7 से और मल्टीप्लाई करें तभी ये पेयर में होगा, इसलिए अभी लोएस्ट नंबर क्या है. So the number should be multiplied by 7. जो भी अनपेयर्ड बचा रह जाएगा उसी से हम इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So 7 is our answer. Now we need to find out the square root of the number. So square root will be now, तो इसी नंबर को हम लिखेंगे अभी 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 3 इंटू 3 इंटू 7 इंटू 7. सो अभी हमने 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करके रख लिया. नाउ विल मेक द पेयर्स एंड विल टेक अ वन नंबर फ्रॉम ईच पेयर. So 42 is the square root of new number. So similarly we will take up another part of this. Suppose if we go for the next part, this is 180. So again we will find out the factors for it. 290, then 245, then 315, then 3 times 5, then 5 times 1. So this is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So these are in the pairs, whereas the 5 is not in pairs. So अभी हम क्या करेंगे, it should be multiplied by 5. So therefore the number should be multiplied by 5. So perfect square will be now 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. So this is in pair, this is in pair, this is in pairs. Now 2 into 3 into 5. So 30 is the answer for this. So similarly we will take up another part of it. Suppose if we go to the 2028, so we will find out the factors for this. 21014, 2507, then again it will go by 3 itself. 3 1 ja 3, then 3 times. It will not go by 3 again. So it will be now 13 and 13. So this is 2 into 2 into 3 into 13 into 13. So here this 13 is in pair, this is in pair, whereas 3 is not in pair. So the number should be multiplied by, the unpaired one is 3, so it should be multiplied by 3. So now the square root will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 13 into 13. So 2 pair, this pair, this pair. So this is 2 into 3 into 13. So this is now 78. So 78 is the answer. Similarly, we will take up one more part of it. Suppose if you go for 768. 768, so we will find out the prime factors of this. So this is 2 times 3, 8, then 4, then again 2 times 192, then 2 times 96, then 2 times 48, then again 2 times 24, then 2 times 12, then 2 times 6, then 2 times 3, then 3, 1. Now write down all the factors. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 3. So in pairs, this is in pair, this is in pair, this is in pair, this is in pair, where it is not in pair. So it should be multiplied by 3. So the number should be multiplied by 3, and the square root will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 8 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is now 3 and 3. So this is in pair, the pair, and this is in pair. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 48 is the square root. So now coming to the question number 6. For each of the following numbers, find the smallest whole number by which it should be divided so as to get a perfect square. सेम क्वेश्चन है ये, जस्ट लाइक ए फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन. उसमें मल्टीप्लाइड करना था तो अनपेयर्ड नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई किया था. इसमें डिवाइड करना है तो अनपेयर्ड नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे. सो नाउ कमिंग टू द फर्स्ट पार्ट, द सिंपलेस्ट वन, 252. सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन निकालेंगे. 1, देन दिस इज 2, 26, देन 2 टाइम्स 6, देन 3, then 3 times, this is 21, then 3 times, this is 7, then 7 times, this is 1. So prime factors are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. This is in pair, this is in pair, whereas 7 is not in pairs. Therefore the number should be divided by 7. जो अनपेड रह गया उसी से डिवाइड करो. So the square root will be, अभी इसको 7 से डिवाइड करेंगे, स्क्वायर रूट कितना बच जाएगा, 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 3 इंटू 3, यही तो बचेगा. इसमें से एक एक नंबर ले लेते हैं, 2 इंटू 3, सो दिस इज 6. सो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ दिस नंबर विल बी 6. सिमिलरली विल टेक अप another part from it. The second part of this, so this is 2925. So this is 2925. We'll find out the prime factors. So this will go by 3. So 3 9 ja 27, then 3 7 ja 21, 3 5 ja 15. So again we'll go for 3 3 3 ja 9, then 3 2 ja 6, then 3 5 ja 15, then again we'll go by 5 5 6 ja 30 and 2, so 5 5 ja, then again 5, so this will be 13, then 13, this will be 1 time. So factors are 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 13. So this is in pair, this is in pair, this is not in pair. So again the number should be multiplied by 13. So 13 is unpaired. So therefore the square root will be, so square root will be equals to now 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. So this is 3 into 5, so this is 15. So we got the square root as 15. Question number 7th. The students of the class 8th of a school donated 2,401 in all for the Prime Minister's National Relief Fund. Now each student donated as many rupees as the number of students in the class. We need to find out the number of students. So let the number of students is equals to x. Now the amount donated by each student is equals to rupees X, because this is the same as the number of students. So total amount donated now, total amount donated will be X into X. So this is now X square. So total amount donated is already given 2,401 rupees. So X will be equals to 2,401 ka square root. Now we'll find out the prime factors of this to find out the square root. So this will be now, this will not divide by 3. So we'll go for the next number. We go for the 7, then 7 3 ja 21, then again 7, this is 9 times, then 7, this is 7 times 7, then this is 1 time. So 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. So we'll make the pairs. This is 7 into 7, this is 49. So the number of students is 49. So now coming to the question number 8. 2025 plants are to be planted in the garden in such a way that each row contains as many plants as the number of the rows. Find the number of rows and the number of plants in each rows. So let the number of plants in each row is equals to X, and number of rows will be equals to, now they will be X because they are the same as the number of plants. So the total number of plants will be equals to X into X. So this is X square. So X square is equals to 2025, or X will be equals to 2025 ka square root. So first of all we will find out the prime factors of this. So this will go by 3 times. Now we will find out these factors. Then again 3 times, 3 2 ja 6, then 3 2 ja 6 and 5, then again 3 times, 3 7 ja, then 5, then 3 times. So this is now 25, then 5 times, this is 5, then again 5 times, this is 1. So prime factors are 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. So we'll make the pairs. Now this is 3 into 3 into 5. So these are 45. So number of plants and rows is equals to 45. So each plants and row, they are 45. So now coming to the question number 9th. Find the smallest number that is divisible by each of the numbers, and that is a perfect square. So 4, 9 and 10. So first of all we will find out the LCM of these numbers. So this is 2 2 ja 4, 9 as it is, 2 5 ja, then 2 1, then 9 as it is, then 5, then 3 times, this is 3, then 5, then again 3 times, 1 1 and 5, then again 5 times, this is 1 1 1. Now this is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So this is in pair, this is in pair, whereas this is not in pair. So we will multiply this again by 5 to make it into pairs. So अभी हमने क्या किया, 5 से और मल्टीप्लाई किया हुआ. So this will be now, or we can leave as it is. So this is equals to this is 180. So now this is not in pair. So multiplying by 5. So LCM is 180 into 5. So this is 900. So 900 is the number by which it is divisible. Find the, now we'll come to the question number 10th. Find the smallest square that is divisible by each of the numbers. So again we will find 8, this is 15, then this is 20. So we will find out the factors for it. So 2 4 ja, then 15, then this is 10 times, then 2 2 ja, then 15, then this is 5, then 2 times 1, then 5, then 5, sorry this is 15, then 3 times 1, 5, 5, 5 times 1, 1, 1. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So this is in pairs and these are not in pairs. So first of all we will make into the pairs. So the lowest number is, so this is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. So we will make all these into the pairs. So on multiplication of this all, so this will give you 3600. So this is the smallest number. So with this we have finished our exercise 6.3. Thank you. Okay students, I hope अभी तक हमने जो भी पढ़ा है आपको समझ में आया होगा. इनकेस अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है तो आप हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो. आप हमारे एपिसोड्स को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी रेफ़र कीजिए ताकि हम आपके लिए और भी अच्छे अच्छे सोल्यूशंस ला सकते हैं. ओके, टेक केयर, गुड बाय एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू.